This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is August 7th, 2019. This one we're going to call for AC leaking on the floor down, AC leaking down cellar in the basement. So it says it's cooling fine, it's just leaking water on the floor. You notice there's water on the floor, so we'll go by there and give it the old how you doing, mama. Give it the old how you doing. Here on the top and everything, it was draining down.
I didn't see anything on this side.
But on the other side.
On the other side, yeah.
It's probably this trap that's blocked. You've seen it up on top here like this, the water, right?
Yeah, it was dripping all on top of here.
Okay, yeah, so it's up top there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that. So you got a new filter for it?
Yeah. And when I opened the door, there was all water in there, and
so you got this all apart too.
yeah, it was all wet inside of there.
Other than that, it's been running okay?
Yeah, there was no problem. I wouldn't have even noticed, like I say.
It's been cooling okay, so we'll have to just clean that. I'll just get my vacuum. We'll cut this here and put the vacuum to it and pull it right out. Should be fine. We should be able to cut this. And I think that's what it is. That pan might be rotted, but I can't guarantee that until we, let's see what happens here with this. Oh, look at that. That's not good. That's real thin. Look at that. It's that thin shit. I mean, I don't know what kind of pipe that is, but that's real thin. So go to plan B here. Wow, this stuff's really thin. That's real thin stuff. Who put this in?
Anderson and Olsen.
Oh shit. That's almost like paper thin. See how thin that pipe was?
Yeah.
Man, that's not right. Now there is a pan inside this evaporator that might be rotted. Let's hope that's not what it is. Let's see if this works. See if that water comes out of there. See the water coming out? So that means it must be full. See it? So this trap was probably blocked. We'll put another elbow on that and we'll see what happens. It's just thin stuff. I'll get an elbow for that and we'll be alright. Put it back together and hopefully it works. We'll check the charge outside. But it's been cooling okay, you said?
Yeah, it was working fine.
shouldn't leak like that. We're gonna get it apart. And we'll run it. We'll check it out, check the charge outside. Yeah, this stuff's just thin pipe. That was Anderson Olsen?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go. Boy, really humid down here, huh?
Yeah.
Why don't you go turn the system on? We'll check it. We'll check the wet bulb. And the return. Check the wet bulb and the return. Looks like I put a new pump in recently. We'll check the charge outside too. Looks like that might be wet. We might have an issue right here. See, this is leaking. I think that's what our problem is. It's all wet up there. We'll have to run that. Let's see. I can see that's wet. Keeping an eye over there on that thing. When it starts pumping, I want to see where it's leaking.
On that side of it?
Yeah, on that side over by the light. So I think it's way up top where it's leaking. Once it starts running, it should be stop pissing out. And see if we can locate where it is. There it is. Looks like it's coming right from that clamp. See where it's coming? Right from where them clamps are. No?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there. I might be able to just cut that and put another. Yeah. Yeah, I could just cut that and put another connector on there or something. Let me try that and we'll run it again. I don't get a flood. So that's a good possibility. That's where our problem is, right there, huh?
Well, that's where it's dripping.
Sure looks like it. I just cut the piece out and put a little piece of 3/8 copper in there and we should be good. We'll run some more water and we'll check it. How long has it been since you cleaned the outside unit? With a hose? Probably never.
No.
Might wanna, you got a hose back there? Might wanna,
Did you just do the whole outside of it?
well, at least let's take a look at it, see what it's looking like. Alright, it's pumping now. Is it leaking?
Nope.
That's what it was then. Kind of an odd. Thought it might have been this, but no. Gotta be a detective. $68. It's pretty damp in here. Coil's clean. Well, we'll check the charge while I'm here.
Say clean it, you mean shoot water up in there?
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt, yeah.
Just up in here?
If it gets dirty,
Okay.
it don't hurt to, clean it with a garden hose. But it's clean, looks clean to me. I mean, it's not dirty. Sometimes it gets a bunch of dirt in there, but that don't seem. Let me check the charge. It's a 22 unit, I'm pretty sure, yeah. 22. 71 outside. It said 68 wet bulb, right? 68 wet bulb inside. And 70. 75. 24-degree superheat. So we're pretty close there. See 21? And I wouldn't want to take any out because our suction pressure is only at 65. So we'll leave it right there. 27. So according to this, it's a little bit overcharged, but our suction pressure is pretty low there. So we're going to leave it right where it is. We're good. Does that make sense?
You. I trust you.
Yeah, we're fine right there. We're gonna leave it right there. Been running fine. You haven't had no issues with it.
No.
I just want to make sure things aren't out of, crazy out of whack while I'm here, right? This way you're not calling me back. So that's what it was. It was that riser coupler on the condensate pump. It would only leak when the water ran, right? Well, I blew that trap out anyway, so we'll be alright. Yeah, and everything should dry out inside, from the water going down in there. I wouldn't run anything, let it dry out. We've got a new filter. Was the other filter dirty?
No, it wasn't dirty.
Alright guys, I just cut a little piece of 3/8 copper. And I put the clamp, I put a new put that piece of copper between the hoses. That's all it was.